With the rise of online resources to assist beginners and optimize specs, building your own gaming PC has become a popular option. However, it's not always feasible for everyone due to time constraints or lack of interest in maintenance. Fortunately, the market for pre-built gaming systems is booming, catering to those who prefer the convenience of a ready-to-go setup. Whether you're looking for an affordable option to handle the latest esports titles, or a high-end rig that exceeds system requirements and dominates 4K/8K video editing, the world of gaming PCs is brimming with exciting possibilities. With that being said, stick with me as we look into these 7 mind-blowing gaming PCs. 7. LENOVO Legion Tower 5 Gaming Desktop. Get ready to level up your gaming experience with the LENOVO Legion Tower 5 Gaming Desktop, a true powerhouse packed with top-notch features. Its ultra-fast AMD Ryzen 7 processor effortlessly handles the most demanding games and applications. And with advanced NVIDIA graphics, you can enjoy seamless frame rates, ensuring you never miss a beat in your favorite games. But the LENOVO Legion Tower 5 offers more than just speed and power. With a variety of storage options to choose from, you can customize your desktop to fit your needs. And with up to 64 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze without any annoying lag or slowdown. Plus, you can expand your storage capacity up to a staggering 10 TB with external storage options. But that's not all. The LENOVO Legion Tower 5 is also sleek and stylish, making it a great addition to any gaming setup. And thanks to its efficient cooling system, this tower stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. Get ready for an unbeatable gaming experience with the LENOVO Legion Tower 5. 6. ALIENWARE AURORA R13 Gaming Desktop. Experience exceptional performance and top-notch quality with the highly acclaimed ALIENWARE AURORA R13 Gaming Desktop, a sought-after gaming computer that sets the bar high. Boasting an Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti graphics card, this premium gaming PC delivers powerful and smooth gameplay. With 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the ALIENWARE AURORA R13 can handle even the most demanding gaming applications with ease, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games without any lag or delays. In fact, one satisfied Amazon reviewer has even declared it the best gaming computer they have ever owned. According to the reviewer, the gaming experience on the ALIENWARE AURORA R13 is simply outstanding. Its crisp and clear graphics make you feel like you're living inside the game, while its impressive speed ensures there are no lag or loading problems. This means you can enjoy everything from Minecraft to virtual reality games with ease on this computer. Don't miss out on the ultimate gaming experience. Get the ALIENWARE AURORA R13 today. 5. Corsair One i200 Compact Gaming Desktop. The Corsair One gaming series has gained popularity among PC gamers for its sleek and compact design, while still delivering top-notch gaming performance. The latest addition to this line is the Corsair One i200, a gaming desktop that boasts impressive hardware. At the heart of the Corsair, the One i200 is a powerful Core i7 processor that can handle even the most demanding games and applications with ease. Along with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, this gaming desktop provides fast and fluid performance, resulting in an immersive gaming experience with lifelike visuals. Apart from its impressive graphics and processing power, the Corsair One i200 also features 32 GB of RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking without any lag or slowdown. Moreover, it offers a vast storage capacity of 1 TB for storing your favorite games, movies, and music. One of the most striking features of the Corsair One i200 is its compact design, which occupies minimal desk space. Despite its small size, the gaming desktop comes equipped with an efficient cooling system, ensuring extended gaming sessions without any overheating or noise issues. 4. CLX Set VR Ready Gaming Desktop. The CLX Set VR Ready Gaming Desktop boasts an Intel Core i9 13900KF processor and an RTX 4090 24GB GPU, making it a powerful gaming machine that can handle just about anything. This PC also comes with ample RAM and storage, making it suitable for content creators and gamers with large libraries. Additionally, it is liquid-cooled and equipped with 7 strategically placed white fans to ensure optimal thermal management. The 1000-watt PSU manages the power requirements efficiently. However, while this gaming PC is an excellent choice for those with a budget of under $5,000, it does have its drawbacks. Considering the price, one would expect a larger SSD configuration and more specific brand choices for the PC hardware components. It would be beneficial if customers could have the option to customize their system on Amazon.com, given the premium being paid. There are numerous gaming PCs available in the market that can cater to most users' gaming needs. The CyberPower PC offering we have recommended is the most balanced option, but it comes at a higher cost. The advantage of selecting one of the PCs from our curated list is that there are no poor choices. It merely depends on what makes the most sense to you as a consumer based on your specific needs. 3. TherMalTake Shadow 370 V2 AIO Gaming PC. The TherMalTake Shadow 370 V2 AIO Gaming PC is a remarkable system that features a closed-loop liquid-cooled system equipped with a 360mm radiator. It delivers excellent gaming performance, powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 6core processor and an NVIDIA GeForce 3070 graphics card with enhanced ray tracing capabilities. Additionally, it comes with 16 GB of RGB lit DDR4 memory with a 3600 MHz speed and a fast NVMe M.2 SSD storage of 1 TB. The system also supports Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with a Windows 10 Home license. What sets the TherMalTake Shadow 370 V2 AIO Gaming PC apart is the unique aesthetics that make it a standout choice. However, there is a downside to this design, as it can lead to dust accumulation in certain areas. Nonetheless, a quick monthly air blowing can keep the system looking presentable. While some may argue that the liquid cooler is excessive, it could come in handy if you plan on upgrading the CPU. Many customers have opted for the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D, which the liquid cooler can efficiently handle. 2. Horsepower NV Desktop Gaming PC. Although the horsepower NV Desktop PC is not explicitly designed for gaming, its elegant appearance and productivity capabilities make it a great choice for those purposes. However, it can also function as a budget gaming PC due to its 12th generation Intel Core i9-12900 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card. This branded system offers excellent value and performance for its $1,200 price point, outpacing similarly configured pre-built gaming PCs. While the package lacks RGB lighting, it remains sleek and attractive. However, some users report that the bundled Intel Core i9-12900 throttles thermally, limiting its potential performance. Nonetheless, this is a reasonable compromise given the heavyweight processor's requirements. Additional cooling solutions would increase the system's cost, which could limit its value proposition against competing builds. 1. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC. When it comes to CyberPower PC's product lines, it's often a hit-and-miss situation with their specifications and value proposition. However, this time around, they have managed to impress with a sleek PC case and impressive performance under the hood. The system boasts an RTX 4070 Ti 12GB GPU and a 24-core Intel Core i9-13900KF, making it a powerful combination that can handle your 2K gaming needs with ease. While the system offers only 16GB DDR5 memory, which might be a concern for some, it's a relatively easy fix with affordable options available online. However, CyberPower PC tends to swap out components, so it's best to wait and see before making any upgrades. In any case, 16GB DDR5 memory is more than enough for the vast majority of games, and it won't significantly affect the system's performance. Alright guys, that wraps up our video for today. So which of these VR headsets is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section below. Please do well to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.